Let's lay it out clearly for everyone. So, federal supremacy is a principle embedded right in the US Constitution, which basically says that when federal law and local or state law come into conflict, federal law wins out. It's not just a guideline, it's the constitutional reality. So, when a local city sheriff talks about arresting federal agents or overriding federal operations, he's either misunderstanding or simply ignoring the fundamental law of the land. A sheriff can't arrest a federal agent acting within their legal authority any more than he could arrest the President of the United States. In other words, federal supremacy means that federal law is the highest law, and local officials have to operate within that framework. So if a sheriff is making claims otherwise, he's either misunderstanding federal supremacy or just ignoring it.
What if a sheriff decides to send armed men underneath him to come and try to arrest a federal agent or a sitting president during wartime? What are the possible outcomes for anybody that stupid to make a decision like that?
Well, let's just say that scenario wouldn't end well for anyone on the local side of that decision. In practical terms, if a sheriff were to send armed deputies to try to arrest federal agents or even think about detaining a sitting president, that would be seen as an extraordinary overreach. The federal government has multiple layers of response. First, federal agents are backed by the Department of Justice and federal law enforcement. Any local attempt to interfere with them would be met with federal injunctions, legal consequences, and quite possibly federal arrests of those involved. In other words, it would escalate into a federal response that would not go in the sheriff's favor. The individuals who tried something like that would face legal repercussions, including potential prosecution for obstructing federal law enforcement and violating federal supremacy. Essentially, it would end their careers and likely lead to serious legal consequences. Thanks for watching this clip from Rico Limbaugh and Arthur. If you found value in it, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 100,000 subscribers, and your support makes that possible. Stay engaged, stay informed, and remember, America first, America only.